Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to be taking a look at how to get RAFT in virtual reality. Now this does work with full motion controller support, and you have the ability to walk around your space. And the mod is so simple to install. There's some things you want to know before actually installing the mod. You need a VR ready PC to run this game. You're going to need a way of connecting your Quest to your PC, whether it be Oculus Link, Virtual Desktop, or AirLink. All those options will work just fine. You actually have to own the original version of RAFT in order to install this mod. And if you want to install this mod, as of right now, you do have to pay for the mod, which is about $4.50 or $5. September 17th, the mod will be completely free to use. To my knowledge, I'm not 100% sure on that. So without further ado, let's get right into the actual video. If you want to right click on the game, click properties, go to general, and then uncheck use game theater while Steam VR is active. What you want to do is go down to the description, look for RAFT mod loader. You just install this application like you would with any other application. You just double click and run it, and then select your file path and all that stuff. Now at this point in the video, I'd highly recommend you pressing play on the mod loader just to make sure the game and the mod loader runs properly. Now we have to install the API mod, which will be down in the description. Once you've clicked install, the loader that we've installed previously will handle the rest for you. Download the RAFT VR mod below and drag it into your mods folder. After this, you want to press play in the mod loader to open the game. In the mod menu, load extra settings API by clicking the plug button. The status will change to running. Make sure the extra API settings is set to load on startup. Choose the option that you prefer, such as Oculus or Steam VR, then close the game once you're done. Put on your headset and open up the Oculus or Steam VR app, depending on the headset that you decide to choose. One more thing before we end the video, I'd highly recommend you guys creating a world on the PC side before you join into the VR, because for some reason, at least for me, the keyboard did not pop up and I had to leave the VR and just start up the game again and create a new world. If you're planning to play this by yourself, I'd highly suggest you changing the world type to nobody else can join, as this eliminates the need for a password. If you guys like the video, you know what to do, subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, try to check yourself. Peace.